Today, let's learn about the diagonals of a quadrilateral. We have a quadrilateral here. It has vertices. One vertex is here, the second vertex, the third and fourth vertex. When you join two opposite vertices, you get a diagonal. So we have two diagonals here, intersecting each other at a point or cutting each other at certain point. Let's think about parallelograms. What counts as a parallelogram? What are the categories? It can be a rectangle, a square, or a rhombus. Let's quickly recap what the properties of each of these are. A rectangle has a pair of opposite sides which are equal and parallel also. And each corner is a right angle 90 degrees. A square has all sides equal and parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel and corners are also right angle. A rhombus has all sides equal. The corners are not 90 degrees. Remember that kite is not a parallelogram because in a kite only adjacent sides are equal, not the opposite sides. See, these two adjacent sides and these two adjacent sides are equal. So kite is not a parallelogram. Let's not worry about that. A trapezoid is also not a parallelogram. So let's not discuss about that. In a parallelogram, the idea is that we have two diagonals here, they intersect. In a parallelogram, they intersect in such a way that they bisect each other. That is, they cut each other in half. This black line is cut by the blue line in half. The blue line is being cut by the black line into half. So each line is cut into two parts. The diagonals bisect each other. Let's see a question here. We have a parallelogram with the diagonals intersecting each other, bisecting each other. The length of ZF is given 34 units. ZF is this part here, the part in red. We have to find ZR, that is the length of the yellow line. Now we know that the diagonals bisect each other, which means the line EY, the blue line, is cutting the line ZR. The blue line is cutting the yellow line into half. It is splitting the yellow line into half. So, which means ZF is equal to FR, right? We know ZF, that is 34. So, let's substitute that. The whole line is ZR. We need to find that out. We know ZF is 34. Let's substitute that value in here. So ZR is equal to 2 times 34. So we have arrived at the calculation.